Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including muscle growth and repair, hormone production, and immune system function. It is also important for weight management and maintaining overall health. Many people turn to protein supplements, such as whey protein powder or protein bars, as a convenient way to increase their protein intake. However, it's important to note that these supplements should not be used as a replacement for whole foods. The best way to get the proper amount of protein is through a balanced diet that includes a variety of protein-rich foods such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, and lentils. Protein supplements can be a great addition to a healthy diet, but it is important to use them in moderation and in combination with a balanced diet. It is also important to note that not all protein supplements are created equal. Some may contain added sugar or other ingredients that can be harmful to your health. So, it's essential to read the label and choose a high-quality supplement from a reputable brand. In conclusion, protein supplements can be a convenient way to increase your protein intake, but it's important to use them in moderation and in combination with a balanced diet. Make sure to choose a high-quality supplement from a reputable brand. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more videos on health and wellness.